Big Stretch.
Yes, yes. And the flesh looking good as usual.
I was gonna say part 2, but this is more like part 3
3.
because we did one like almost 10 years ago by the library, which is destroyed now.
Yeah, destroyed. That's over with.
Yeah, that was 2007 or 8.
Yep.
That was 10 years ago, and then we did another one about 4 years ago, maybe.
Yeah, about 4 years ago.
And here we are, 2018, and you still in the neighborhood, man.
Still over here, the little bits and pieces we still got around this motherfucker.
Okay, why do you say the little bits and pieces?
This shit is over, man. This shit is security on every corner. It's cameras on every corner. The college done bought up everything possible. And the little people that still holding on, they holding on, but they about to give up too, because now it went up. The prices of the houses they buying from is $1 million. This is no longer a black neighborhood with any gang activity in it. It's a bigger picture, because we done pretty much got ran out of our hood. I ain't even finna sit up here and sugarcoat nothing to nobody. I'm not gonna act like, oh, we over here, we thick, we deep, we the homies, we. My nigga, this some real shit. The whole city is fucked over. If you pay attention to it, this train that they building on Crenshaw is running smack dab through the hood. It's displacing everybody because contractors are coming and buying out the city. So now, niggas gotta move. Where you gonna move to? I moved to Inglewood. Now it's gentrification over there. Our rent went from $1,300 to $2,500.
In Inglewood?
In Inglewood, $1,300 to $2,500. It was predominantly a black neighborhood I moved to. Now it's Hispanics and blacks fighting. I'm talking about tooth and nail. Come go to the store, you better pull your burner out. I'm fucking 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shots every day. It's not on the news. There's nobody talking to it. They got this fake ass Mayor Butts over there talking about he doing this, he got this program, that program. I'm smart, you feel me? I read books. I'm lasting while the rest of these niggas is dead, is in jail. I'm still out here and I don't look like I'm losing not one motherfucking meal. Ain't no jobs. The hustle, the drugs is on a different level. Ain't nobody even buying crack no more. Niggas is off of crystal meth, off of lean, perk, Xan, Adderall, weird ass shit that guess what? Niggas ain't got no prescriptions for. So the suppliers is no longer black. The whole shit is fucked up and niggas is still shooting at each other, busting on each other, killing each other for what? It don't make a motherfucking sense, my nigga. Every hood I go to from the east side to the west side is blacks being moved out by another race, period. If there's no jobs in the community, the housing is going up, and there's no support or resources, what are you supposed to do? You hit the corner, you start serving, selling drugs. You might as well go to the police station and say, here, lock me up, because you falling for the ultimate plan. And it's really stupidity out here. All this blood shit, brimming and all that is straight if you representing what it stands for, Black Revolutionary Independent Militant Soldiers. Independence, my nigga, out here, we need to buy back our communities. We can't stand on the corners no more, my nigga, and say this is the hood, because it's not the hood. If niggas is real hood niggas, go sit down in the city council meeting. Period, point blank. You'll see it's a map with red all over South Central, Inglewood. Matter of fact, all of the black neighborhoods. Contractors are buying them. The people that are living here are selling out because they've been living in poverty for so motherfucking long. So it's like, oh, I've been struggling check to check for 15 years. Now these white folks come over here and say, well, we can give you $700,000 for this property. What you gonna do? You gonna sell out. But now, who gonna move in? People that don't look like me and don't look like you. And you don't go to the meetings, you can't go vote against rent control. So How more people vote for rent to go up than it to stay down? You gotta think about that shit. And it's only blacks really voting. The Hispanics is not registered to vote because they're illegal. Come on, let's keep that shit real, man. I forklift and I clamp drive and I do inbound, outbound services and shit from like China that come down here with those big ass freights on me. And I'm telling you, all the Hispanics are illegal. They have your positions. They're in the supervisor position. They're in the hiring position. They're in the staffing company offices that staff you for the positions that we so-called got these skills for. You go here, they tell you straight up, bilingual is a plus. You get to the job, you have to be Hispanic to get the job, even though it says bilingual is a plus. That's bullshit. The Hispanics is going in there without their social. They're going from $16 an hour wages and they're getting knocked down to $12 an hour because they don't have their social. And we know you illegal, but we'll give you this $12 an hour to do the same work and they're gonna sweat and break their back, my nigga. And niggas is out here shooting and killing and faking for these rap niggas. You rap niggas is fake. All you LA rap niggas on Bloods, my nigga, y'all know me. I do security at the clubs, my nigga. I don't even be partying with you niggas and I be right there in your face. And all you niggas know me, blood. Like a real blood. Even at V-Lounge, all of this shit, AOD, my nigga. Blood, y'all niggas know me in Morano, all of these little Hollywood clubs, Argyle, church on Sunday, all that shit y'all go to, I'll be there, blood. Crazy girls, I see you niggas. It's fake, homie. You niggas is baking it with the crabs. Y'all dick riding the crabs. Then they shooting y'all homies in the back after the show. Then y'all get on Instagram and say, oh, stop the violence. But you flamed up and you calling the homies to bick it with the crabs. We don't got our own shit together in our own motherfucking backyard, my nigga. So how the fuck you gonna bick it with crabs? And wonder why niggas is getting shot. It's not black on black. That shit is a mentality, my nigga. It's a stupid, fucked up, ignorant black hate mentality. Just think about it when this nigga Tookie and Raymond Washington and all of these niggas first start saying they was crabs, my nigga. What was they doing? They was robbing blacks, stealing from blacks, stomping them out for leather jackets, running up in their houses, robbing granny and grandpa motherfucking shops, nigga. It used to be candy houses on these blocks, blood, where we could just go up in there and get our shit where we didn't have to go to the liquor store. There ain't no more of that shit over here. Think about it. The original beginning of them motherfuckers was a negative image on black communities, on the black areas. Take. We want this shit. This ours, take. You gonna be from here. That's their mentality. The homies, supposedly, you wanna protect the community, you wanna upstand the community. I know a bunch of homies still look out for niggas, do they shit. It's on a positive image, my nigga. Bloods always was clean, always had our bread. We was always upstanding and lift ourselves up. Stop trying to kick it with these niggas, blood. Stop trying to be bull with these niggas. They not our friends, they not our family, and they not straight, my nigga. Get our shit together. Pyrus, P-Funk, Bompton Rules, all that y'all talking about. Yeah, I fuck with y'all too. And I'm not just on no LA South Central Brims, Jungles, 20s, all that shit, nigga. No, you Pyrus too, nigga. That's always talking about P-Funk business and all of that hoopla, but you taking phase and faking because niggas don't want to get on the song with you, blood. That's bitch shit, my nigga. And you making us look bad in the hole. I don't even got no hood right now. My whole hood is the city now. I go through everywhere around this motherfucker. So I'm seeing how niggas over there in Baldwin Village and the J's, they doing they stuff. They got they label. They pushing, they on the radio. We go through the Athens, RJ and them pushing, doing they stuff. Everybody is really pushing, doing they stuff. You go to the Nickersons, J-Rock and them got that shit on lockdown. What you gonna do? We got all of the major cities. You go off in Inglewood, 211 and them, Ruchi and them, my nigga, S-Mac, BIP, them, come on, my nigga. The city, just look at it. Every city has a Damu that's big in it. And we ain't tripping on nobody. We on Instagram talking about, oh, that's my crippin' homie. Y'all got these little skinny ass, ugly ass crab bitches running around here with tattoos on their face, thinking that's your boo, cause she got your name on her face. And these motherfuckers is not your boo. They your spy. You dumb niggas.
When Suge first started Death Row, he tried to bring Crips and Bloods together, and I don't know whether it was successful or not. They made a lot of money, but I don't know what was going on behind the scenes. But you're saying the state of that today is what?
Nothing is the worst ever, my nigga. Fingers is paralyzed right now. You know Fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was messing with Joe Moses.
Yeah.
Okay.
When Mr. Joe Moses, AOB and the NWB, and we Sue Whoop and a Lil Sue Wop. You feel me?
So what happened to Fingers?
He's paralyzed. He did a show. The crew that's supposed to be with him, that's always whooping and swooping with him, wasn't there. Krabs walked up, confronted him on a live interview, turned around, and another nigga that was with him supposedly opened the side door or some old bitch ass shit, and they shot the homie. And he's paralyzed. And he's in the hospital fighting for his shit and been in there for months and months and months. Everybody thought he was dead. All these niggas, they ain't coming to visit Blood. They ain't helping this nigga. But they was riding the coattail of this Brim shit every day, my nigga. I don't like you niggas no more. I'm gonna keep it all the way real with you. I'm from a different generation than you niggas. They dick riding each other for friends and likes instead of real life shit. The internet got these niggas believing something that don't even exist is what's going on out here. And that shit ain't true. These niggas, these Broadway niggas, BG, Perico, whatever his name is, these is real Crip niggas. This nigga Nip, these is real Crip niggas. I be amongst they little parties and shit sometimes. Them is real Crip niggas. Them ain't no actors. Them ain't no side niggas. Them ain't no valley niggas. Them is niggas that was born and raised right here. So they circles is different. When they come to the table, they coming to the table with hungry wolves. When they meeting up, and they can't control their wolves. They don't even try to control their wolves. They don't give a fuck if y'all turn up. Fuck these niggas over here. That's how they feel. But Bloods is, oh, we got to get this celebrity and that celebrity, and we can get this promoter and that promoter, and we can let him say Blood. Now the white boy, he's a Paru now because he got a video camera and he's been putting our videos on, you know? No, he's the Jewish guy over there. He's from Blackstone now. Yeah, we're on. We're cool. That shit fake, my nigga. They done shot the white boy up over there and the Jays killed him.
Who was that?
I forget Blood name. Some little new young nigga, but they just had his little funeral. He passed. And it's like, come on. Y'all playing. While y'all niggas is playing checkers, they playing chess. Cause they coming to the parties, dancing with y'all, giving y'all they little bitches. And then guess what? Your engineer gets shot and killed. Oh, your main promoter gets shot and killed. The bookie gets shot and killed. Damn, the Damu shows is slowing down and the Crips is steady moving. Check your game, my nigga. Stop being scared to deal with homies. We can't fuck with them. They're jackers, they're thieves, they're the underbelly of what you would want to really be if you was a man. You gotta be solid, my nigga.
You don't seem to really care about what you say and whatever the consequences or ramifications of what you say are. I already learned that years ago. Why is that?
Cause we gotta be real, man. It's too many fake black men out here. Like, if I take my shoes off and I put my feet on the ground, I can feel the earth beneath my feet. I can feel that flowing through my body. I can resonate with that. When I have dreams at night, good stuff gonna happen, and I find myself in a deja vu experience, I'm not excited, I'm calm. I knew it was gonna happen. So I've already came to the conclusion that it's a God body inside of me. And I believe it's a God body inside of me. And there was a whole lot of other black men that had God bodies inside of them. They murdered or killed though. They don't even let them sit in jail because they're gonna pass that God body off to somebody else. Pac opened up my mind to search for a God body inside of a black man, and I found it. So I'm not scared of nobody. I'm not gonna allow they systems to make me feel like I gotta not say this, because that's the problem. Everybody wanna be politically correct. Everybody wanna say what they think everybody's gonna like to hear. Fuck what they like to hear. Change is better than sitting in the same position all the time, same position. Fuck that shit, my nigga. Open your mind. I don't give a fuck about these niggas. I know who my enemy is.
Thanks for watching StreetTV.net. If you're not subscribed, please hit that button below and click the bell to receive alerts and notifications. Feel free to comment below so you can give us your feedback, and be sure to watch the 2 related episodes to the right. If you want to support this platform or follow us on social media, visit the links in the description, and thanks for watching StreetTV.net.